cold start Gursewak exhaust for Royal Enfield Meteor 350. So it comes with DB killer. So I have removed that DB killer to tell you how does the sound feels like. This is the exhaust. So my Meteor is the latest one, 2022, purchased in October month. So I have not received the catalytic converter under the body, but it's coming a straight pipe from the company as it comes from Classic Reborn. So this is the exhaust. You can see the DB color is removed. So I will be doing the cold start. Just listen up the voice and tell me how do you like it.